Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Sulley from Monsters Inc. So let's get started. To draw Sulley, we're going to first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to come right here and draw a circle. And I'm going to come really close to it and draw another circle. There. So then we're going to come inside and draw another circle. And I'm just going to give it a little highlight right here in the corner and shade this part in. And we're going to do the same thing over here. There, we have Sulley's eyes in. Now let's come right in between the eyes and we're going to draw his nose. So about right here, I'm just going to draw a soft curve. And just to simplify it, I'm just going to connect it with a widen out V at the bottom. And then from there, let's come to the bottom and we're going to draw his mouth. So I'm going to give him a cute smirk smile. So I'm going to start by right here and I'm going to go up. And about right there, I'll cap it off. And same thing over here. And then let's come right here and we're going to draw 1 and then 2 teeth. And then let's come up here, we're going to draw his brow. So right where over the eye, I'm going to come, so this is my center, I'm just going to come over a little bit, so about right there. And I'm going to bring out a pretty big brow. So say about this much. And let's just do the other one just to make it a little bit more even. So I'm going to come about right there and curve out a brow. So same thing. So then now let's go up. And we're going to make it nice and bushy. So here and there, just maybe add a zigzag. And about in this area, come back down and connect it. So same thing over here. Zigzag a little bit and connect. So there we have his brow in. So then let's come above this brow and just very small little curve right at the top. You don't really see the top of his head because he's all brow. And then let's come and draw his face. So let's see here. We'll come down and we're going to make this pretty long. So let's come out where his brow is and we're going to bring it down. All the way down. So say let's bring it about right here. Bring it in and down here I'm just going to zigzag a little bit just to make him look furry and connect it just here and there. And then right here under the eye, let's just add a little curve very lightly. And that's pretty much it for his face. So let's come back up here and we're going to draw his horn. So kind of like where his brow is. Just pop out a little curve, round it off, and bring it back in. So let's come in here for some details. I'm just going to draw some curves. So same thing over here, where his brow, and same thing. Curve. And bring it in. And then let's add the curves inside the horn. There. Now he's complete right at the top. Now to draw his body, let's come say about right here. Right on the edge area of where his face is. And we're going to draw a really long tummy area. So let's keep coming down. Nice and long. Just going to bring this out. So angling it just a little bit. You can zigzag a little bit if you like, if you're comfortable doing that. And then we're just going to go ahead and connect it all the way at the bottom. There. So then now let's draw his arms first. Let's start on this one since it's simpler. We're going to come about right here, around where his eye is, and we're going to draw a curve that comes down. So we're going to start his shoulders about right there. And so his other shoulder is going to start the same area, about right there as well. And let's bring this all the way down. So here and there you can zigzag once again. And just bring it down. And then I realized I should draw the legs first. So I kind of figure out where to put the hands. Okay, so then let's draw the legs. We're gonna come right here. Zigzag a little bit, bring it in. So same thing here. Out. And let's come towards the center area. I'm going to draw a curve on both sides. So nice and center. So about right here. We're going to bring this part in. So take it step by step. And then right here, let's curve it out. So we don't want the legs too long. Curve it out. Okay. And then now let's start to build the feet. So about right there, I'm going to come out, curve, nice big feet. So I'm going to curve 1, 2, and 3, and connect. So then let's come in here, wherever you curved in, just draw a curve that comes up. And then we're going to draw the nails. So come in here and draw the nails. There, just a simplified version of it. Okay, so the same thing over here now. So let's just make sure we're kind of ending at the same area on the other side, so about right there. And we're going to flare it out for the toes, so about one here. Let's make sure it's the same level. So I'm going to start over on this side. And so now I'm going to go ahead, 1, 2, and 3. And once again, curve, curve, and the nails. There. Okay, so now we can draw the arms. So nice and long all the way to this area. So let's bring this all the way down. So about right there, I'll stop. I'm going to come about right here, zigzag a little bit, and then in this area, I'm going to come out. And in this area, let's see here. I'm going to draw his thumb. So come down, angle, angle out again, and we're going to go ahead and connect it. So then come in here and just draw a little curve right there. So it just makes it look like his arm is clenched. And just the zigzags right here for his fur and where his hands start. And then let's do this side, draw this side. So his hand on this side is on his hip, which is going to be about right here. So let's bring this down. And so about right here, I'll start. Bring in, come out. And now we're going to start to bend. And so let's bring this in here. So about right here is zigzag. And towards this part right down here. And we're just going to go ahead and zigzag again. And then now for his hand. So come out long. Curve it out. And back in. So then let's come in here for another curve inside. And nails. There. So then that is pretty much it, except, let's see here. Oh, I have to add a heart right here. Make it my draw so cute. Sulley from Monsters Inc., of course. I forgot to mention that Sulley here does have these purple polka dot patches all over his fur. So I don't want to use a Sharpie because that would be too harsh. So when you're coloring it, just color these circular purple patches on his arms and his legs right here. So hope that helps you. Draw Sulley here from Monsters Inc. and you love how it turned out. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.